is the truth nobody is telling you about avocado. Avocado is not the miracle food you have been sold. From misleading label and rancid oil to environmental destruction and hidden health risk, the avocado industry is riddled with problems. If you love avocado, you need to hear this before your next bite. Avocados are praised for their healthy fat, fiber, and vitamins, but the reality is more complicated. While whole avocados do contain beneficial nutrients, many avocado products, especially oil, are highly processed, dilute, and even fake. Not all avocado oil are created equal. Some are refined, stripped of nutrients, and mixed with cheap vegetable oils. So the healthy fat you think you are getting might actually be harmful. Studies have revealed that a shocking number of avocado oils on the market are adulterated or mislabeled. Some bottles labeled pure avocado oil have little or no real avocado oil at all. This scam is driven by the high cost of real avocado oil and the booming demand. Unscrupulous companies cut corners to boost profit, leaving consumers with cheap, low-quality oils that can be rancid or toxic. Even if the oil is real, many bottles you buy are rancid. Avocado oil is sensitive to heat, light, and air, and improper storage causes it to oxidize. Independent lab tests have found that many pure avocado oil contains little or no actual avocado oil. Instead, they are mixed with cheaper oil like soybeans, sunflower, or canola oil. This is a classic food fraud driven by the high cost of real avocado oil and booming demand. Rancid oil produces harmful free radicals that damage your cell and increase inflammation. Exactly what you don't want from a healthy food. Another one is guacamole. Fresh avocado in guacamole is a whole food rich in fiber, vitamins, and healthy fat. But store-bought guacamole can contain preservative, added oil, and fillers that reduce its nutritional value. This can contribute to chronic disease like heart disease, cancer, and accelerated aging. Making guacamole at home from fresh avocados is always the best choice if you want to maximize health benefit. So what's the best avocado oil to buy? Look for avocado oil that are cold pressed or extra virgin with clear certification, packaged in dark glass bottle to protect from light, from reputable brands that provide third-party lab testing results. Store properly and their expiration date. Buying from trusted sources and avoiding bargain oils can save you from the avocado oil scam. When it comes to whole avocados, choose organic or sustainably grown varieties when possible. Remember, whole avocados are far superior to processed oil or guacamole with additives, so avocados are not scam. Whole avocados are nutritious and beneficial when eaten fresh and in moderation. But the avocado oil industry has serious issues with quality labeling and rancidity that consumers need to be aware of. Don't be fooled by marketing hypes. Always do your research and read labels carefully. Prioritize whole food over processed products. Indeed, learning never ends and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. video.